National news now. The latest COVID-19 outbreak in the U.S. is becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated. That's according to the director of the CDC. The coronavirus cases, hospital admissions, and deaths nationwide all rose significantly over the last 7 days.
The health risks are growing for Americans who've not received a COVID-19 vaccine, according to federal health officials.
Over 97% of people who are entering the hospital right now are unvaccinated.
Hospital admissions rose 36% this week compared to last. Deaths were up 26% and cases surged 70%. More than a third of those new cases come from states with low vaccination rates, including Florida, Missouri, Nevada, and Arkansas. A sharp increase in cases in Los Angeles County has prompted health officials to reinstate an indoor mask mandate, regardless of vaccination status.
I don't like it. I'm vaccinated. I wish everybody else would get vaccinated.
And Chicago officials have issued travel restrictions on unvaccinated travelers coming from Missouri and Arkansas. All of which is coming as the president's COVID response team met with him to discuss the surging Delta variant.
And I'm curious if the uptick in the Delta variant, if that is playing any part in where the president is leaning in terms of extending that federal mask policy in public transportation. I know it's set to expire in September.
Well, he's going to lean into the advice of his health and medical experts and teams on any steps that need to be taken to keep the American people safe.
President Biden says he is considering lifting the travel ban on Europe, and he posted this video of pop star Olivia Rodrigo and the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
If Olivia Rodrigo tells you to get vaccinated, you get vaccinated.
At the White House Thursday, they read tweets about the vaccine encouraging younger Americans to get a shot. Skyler Henry, CBS News, the White House.
And Canadian officials have announced fully vaccinated Americans can again begin visiting Canada in mid-August. Next week, a CDC advisory committee will be looking into whether some people need to get a booster shot.